Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix iPhone is disabled connect to iTunes problem step by step. This happens when you enter the wrong passcode too many times and your device gets locked. To fix this, you will need a computer with iTunes or Finder. First, turn off your iPhone completely. Now, connect it to your computer using a cable while pressing and holding the power button or volume button depending on your model until recovery mode appears. Once you see the recovery screen, open iTunes or Finder on your computer and it will detect your device automatically. You will see two options, Update or Restore. Choose Restore to erase your device and remove the lock screen. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes. After that, your iPhone will restart like a new device. Now, follow the setup steps and sign in with your Apple ID to regain access. If you have a backup, you can restore your data easily. This will fix the disabled iPhone issue completely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.